Hi, welcome to our Starry Home Renovation series. I'm Darren, interior designer of Starry Homestay. And in this third episode, we are going on a house visit. So now let's follow me. Okay, so right now we are standing right in front of a brand new BTO unit. The first and most important step every homeowner should do once you receive your keys definitely is check for defects. Okay, so all completed HDB flats, they are covered with a defects liability period effectively from the date of key collection. So in addition, they have a limited time period to report on any defects, and definitely this needs to be done before any renovation start to kick in. Okay, so in this third episode, we, Starry Homestay, are going to help you along with this task. So now let's go! So now we start off with potential problem number 1. Look out for crack, damage or stained wall. Because stain could be a sign of water seepage. And of course, crack can be a signified problem to do with the foundation or structure of the building. So do get them assessed by the defects team. Okay, so now potential problem number 2. Look out for hollow or uneven tiles. So homeowner can actually use a coin or a tapping rod to actually tap on the tiles at the different edges to check out for any hollow. Okay, so because hollow, it might cause popping out of tiles in the future. And of course, uneven tiles, it might even cause a cut to our feet. Okay, so it's quite dangerous. Okay, so now potential problem number 3. Clogged toilet and faulty fixture and fittings. Okay, so in this portion, right, actually the few things we need to take note. First is the fittings. Okay, we have to make sure that the toilet bowl, when we flush, there is no sign of leaking at the bottom and also on the tap. Okay, so the next thing is for the basin wire, we need to test whether the tap, all this, is this working? Is there any leaking as well? And also at the bottom, any leaking? Okay. And the last one, the most important one, is actually we need to check on the floor trap. Okay, so owner actually, they can actually fill a big pail full of water and they can try to pour it down and see whether the water flow nicely down straight away. As maybe due to the construction, there might be some debris or cement stain that is left over in the outlet pipe, which will cause a lot of problem to homeowners. Okay, so right now we are standing in the kitchen. So some of the things to actually let homeowner know, the first thing is the gas pipe. Okay, so what you can see, the yellow pipe over there. And after that, you see the yellow, the blue color tape, that actually to tell you where the water pipe comes from. Okay, so remember, no drilling to that area as it might cause leak to the pipe. Okay, so now we move on to the kitchen side. So we can see over here, the window. We can actually test whether any fault in the window, and also the bifolding door. Whether the lock, is it working, and the roller, is it working. So as long as it's working fine, that's cool. Okay, so now since we are at the service yard, okay, one thing to note over here is only the laundry rack. Okay, so laundry rack, we just need to use the rope to see whether it can elevate up or down. Is it working? Okay, so now we talk about potential problem number 4, faulty door and window. So as you can see over here, okay, so for the door wise, a few things we can check. We can check whether the lock, is it okay? Is there any sign of faulty? Okay, and also look out for the surface of the door. Is there any chip or dent? So all this can be rectified. Okay, so now we move on to the window side. First thing is we need to make sure that there is no crack on the glass. Okay, then second thing is we must test the window. Is it opening smoothly? Any creaking sound from the hinges here? Okay, so all this you have to take note. Potential problem number 5, electrical socket. So once you are in the unit, always look out for this plain white door. So once you open, you can actually see the main electrical circuit is inside. So look out for any crack or dent. Likewise for the faceplate of the electrical socket. So you can test whether is there any problem. And then you can turn on to see is there any active power. So homeowner can actually get a mobile charger to actually test out to see whether is there any active power. Likewise, you can actually use a mobile charger to test out all the other electrical socket. For any rectification work, it's very simple. So for HDB side, so homeowner can just scan the QR and book the appointment with the HDB. It's important to come into the site well prepared. So we actually compile a checklist of items that homeowners should actually equip themselves before coming into the site. So we call it the essential. Okay. So number 1, complete set of keys that is handed over from the HDB site. So homeowner can actually test out all the lock set to ensure that they are not faulty. Okay. Second thing, clutch key provided in letterbox as well as screwdriver plus. This is to activate and to switch on the water main supply after they have opened the utility account. Point number 3, sticky note or painter tape. So this is to let homeowner to actually mark out all the defects using the tape itself. Point number 4, homeowners should actually bring some writing materials such as pen, pencil and marker. So this is for marking down all the defects on the tape. Point number 5, mobile charger. This is to actually let homeowner to test out all the electrical outlet. Point number 6, tapping rod or coins. So this is to let homeowner to test out for any hollow tiles. Okay, so here are some optional items homeowner can choose to bring. We have come to the end of our video and I truly hope this video is useful to all new BTO homeowners. So stay tuned for our next episode of Starry Renovation series. With Starry Homestead, Starry way to make your home shine.
Starry Homestead, Starry way to make your home shine.